Hi, Ben here and welcome back to the workshop, and we wanted to show you what we've been working on this week. So we finally managed to break off from making the carving tools, which have been very popular over the last few weeks, and we decided that we'd actually work on some of our Nomad friction folders. So I've got loads of amazing different handle material and different colours, which is always the sort of exciting bit for me. So we've got lots of different coloured G10s here. So we've got our classic pumpkin, which is very popular, and lots of different natural shades, as well as some nice bright colours as well. So we've got some neon green and black G10, and we've also got some more canvas micarta, both natural and green canvas micarta. So that's been fun. We've been cutting up the material and then using our special little drilling jig that we made. So we clamped that onto our sort of handle material, and this is where, when people visit my workshop, they always think that I've got this sort of pillar drill addiction. But when you're making something like a Nomad, which has got lots of different sized holes in it, you don't want to move the pattern, so we just literally work down the line of drill bits, drilling all the relevant size holes in our pattern before we remove that pattern from the handle material. So that's been a lot of fun, getting those prepped. There's quite a few different components that you need to actually make as well in the Nomad friction folder. So we've got lots of different coloured pieces of material which we use for our back spacers. That's the bit of material that is sandwiched in the actual back of the Nomad, which actually keeps the gap between the two scales. So we need to precisely grind that to a proper fit, so that the blade and the washers fit very accurately. So we have to prepare those as well. And then we've also been getting lots of blades ready for heat treat. These have been heat treated, they just need their final grind, and then we blast them and then give them a nice stone wash finished as well. So it's a really sort of nice project to be working on, because there's lots of different aspects to it, both the handle shaping and also the blade manufacture, and it can kind of be a little bit precise, so you've got to be working on tight tolerances. So from working on the carving tools to working on these friction folders, it's a real nice little change really. Also what we've done is we've been working on this sort of nice special set. So we've been tempted with some of the nice handle materials that we've been working on, and what we've done is we've actually made a nice matching pair. So we've made a Nomad friction folder and also a Woodlander, both in this amazing Multicam micarta, which has got this lovely sort of almost snakeskin look to it. So it's got layers of green, black, and then a coyote brown as well, which gives this amazing sort of grain, almost like contours on a map really when you shape it. So this is a 4-inch Woodlander, 3.5mm thick blade, 01 tool steel with a nice dark stone wash finish, and this has actually got stainless fittings on there, and then nice hunter orange liners as well, and that one comes in a nice OD kydex belt sheath. And then we've made a lovely matching Nomad. So we've used that hunter orange for the back spacer that we were talking about earlier, and then we've got that same Multicam micarta, and they've both been blasted in the blast cabinet, so it gives the micarta a really nice texture and also makes it very grippy. And then the blades on the Nomads are slightly thinner stock, so these are 2.5mm thick, same fantastic razor sharp scandi grind with the acid stone washed finish. And then we actually radius and round the spur of the Nomad friction folder so that it's comfortable in the hand, but we leave the rest of the blade square, so if you want to use it with your fire steel you can. The nice thing about using your Nomad with a fire steel is you can actually use it while it's in the kydex sheath, so it's totally safe, so you can still access that part of the back edge of the knife, so it works really nice as a scraper. So that's got a nice OD green kydex neck sheath. So they make quite a nice companion set really. You've got your big full tang knife for all your heavy work, and then you've got your thinner legal carry friction folder for finer detail and food prep and things like that. So we thought it'd be fun to sort of show you what we've been working on, and we're going to put these matching pair on our website today. So for any of you that have been watching the video and actually want to have an opportunity to get these, they'll be available on our store later on, so please just follow the link that's on the video. So that's what we've been working on this week. Hope you've enjoyed seeing what goes into making the Nomad friction folders. We're going to have other videos coming up for what we've been working on in the workshop, and also a few people have commented on some of the knife making related videos that we've done. We did one a few weeks ago on the handle scale preparation. People have asked us if we can show how we then take those handle scales and fit them to a blade. So hopefully we're going to get that filmed in the next few weeks. And hopefully you're all staying safe at this moment. So we're trying to do a few outdoor videos and obviously videos in the workshop as well. So hopefully you're getting a little bit of everything really. So hope you enjoyed that, and tune in next week and see what we've been up to.